everyone, myself is Javeed. I'm here to share some of my wonderful experience at People's Career, which made me reach my dream university, University of Texas at Arlington. I would really like to appreciate the hospitality that I have received from the processing team, and also thank Nisar sir, Roli ma'am, Ishwarya ma'am and Sharita ma'am for not only supporting me but also guiding me to choose the right college. I would highly suggest you all to start your visa processing at People's Career, as it is a one-stop solution. It's not only specialized in visa processing but also a good coaching center for IELTS and PT, and I'm very excited to share you all because I have recently been approved F1 student visa for United States of America. Thank you.